In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock a conversation in Google Chat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in settings and how to restore messages from someone you've previously blocked, so you can pick up the conversation without any confusion. Start by opening Google Chat. You can do this in your browser at chat.google.com, in the standalone desktop app, or through the chat interface in Gmail. The layout is very similar across these options, so the steps will feel familiar no matter where you're signed in. Once Google Chat is open, look toward the top right corner of the window for the Settings gear icon. Go ahead and click the gear to open your chat settings. This is where you'll manage things like notifications, preferences, and your access controls. In the Settings panel, find and click Access Restrictions. This section is designed to help you control who can contact you and how those interactions are handled. It's also where you can manage any conversations you've blocked in the past. Now scroll down to the section labeled Blocked Conversations. This is the area that keeps a tidy list of any chats you've intentionally blocked. You'll see a quick overview, and from here, you'll click Manage Blocked Conversations to open the full list. In the blocked list, find the chat you want to unblock. You can scan by the conversation name or look for the specific person or space you had blocked. Take a moment to be sure you've selected the correct conversation, especially if you've muted or blocked several threads over time. When you're ready, click Unblock next to that conversation. This action immediately restores the conversation to your active chat list, allowing new messages to come through again. If you had muted notifications separately, keep in mind that unblocking only removes the block. It doesn't change mute settings. You can adjust notification preferences later if needed. Finally, close settings to return to your main chat view. You can do this by clicking the close icon on the settings panel or simply navigating back to your conversations. Your changes take effect right away, and you should now be able to receive messages from that chat as normal. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Unblocking is reversible, so if you change your mind, you can always return to the same settings and block again. If the reason for blocking was volume rather than content, consider muting notifications instead of blocking. And remember, these changes sync across your devices when you're signed in with the same account.